So welcome students, welcome once again to the web classes. Today what we are going to learn is noun and its types. In the previous lecture of English we understood that how many types of verbs are there, how many verb forms are there and how do we apply them. Today what we are going to learn noun and its type. It is also a subtopic of parts of speech that we discussed in the previous lectures as well, right? So moving further, what is noun? What is the definition of noun? So how do we call a particular thing? How do we know a particular thing? It is called as noun. Here it is written, a noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing or an idea. Here you can have there is a picture here in which there is a man on the beach sitting right now. uh, the umbrella that is shown right now is a thing, the man is a person, where he is sitting is a place, and what is it thinking about or what is it doing, it is idea. So a noun is a particular word that gives an identification to a particular place, person or a thing or an idea. So that is known as noun. So it is a proper definition. A noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing or an idea. Moving next, how many types of how many types of noun are there? So there are five types of noun. The one, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. So first of all, we will learn proper noun. So what is a proper noun? A proper noun is a name that identifies a particular person, place, or a thing. So you can understand that what is a proper noun? A proper noun means a particular name of a person. How do we call a particular thing? Just like if you are calling my name or your name, that is a proper noun. If you are calling, if you don't know my name and if you are calling it to me, then it will not be a proper noun, it will be common noun, right? Here it is an example given. So a proper noun that names a specific person, place or thing. In the first column, if you can see Mrs. James and Dr. Smith is written there. So Mrs. James and Dr. Smith is a proper noun because with that name we know those particular person. If you see the place, Clark Elementary, right? If we are living in Ahmedabad, then the Ahmedabad is a proper noun. If we are talking about holidays, here is a Valentine's Day and Thanksgiving. So we know that particular day as a Valentine Day or Thanksgiving Day. So it is a particular noun. Here also February month, the name of the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So those are also known as proper noun because those are being given a proper specific name. For example, like Stephen, Africa, London, Monday. And also always remember that the proper noun in English always starts with capital letters. Okay. So the next is common noun. What is a common noun? A common noun is a particular noun that shows a community, right? A common noun is a noun that refers to people or thing in general. That means it shows a community. So here it is the examples are given: boy, country, bridge, city, birth, and day. So if we like compare between common noun and proper noun, we can see a particular difference or like a specific difference. So if I am talking about a particular book, right, that is known as common noun because it is a book. But if I talk about a particular book that is like Chetan Bhagat's book, right, the girl in the room number 4105, the three mistakes of my life, so those are particular name of the book, then it will be proper noun. The three mistakes of my life, the particular name is a proper noun. But if we are talking about a book, that in general, that is known as common noun. The next is park. Like if we are talking about any other park, that is known as common noun. But if we are talking about a particular park, that is Chacha Nehru Park, right? That means it is a proper noun. Moving next, here are many examples. Next is collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun means a collection of particular group of people and things, just like audience. Audience is a collection of people who are listening to us. Family is a collection of family members. Government is a collection of many governing bodies or many governing people. Team is a collection of players, and jury is a collection of judges. There are many judges in a particular panel, right? So here are many examples that is those are given. Collective noun is a name we give to a group, of nouns to refer to them as one entity, right? If we are if we are indicating a particular group as an one entity, that means it is a collective noun. Just like here examples are given: people, animal, things, a class of students, right? A class, what is a class? That means a collection of students. What is an army? A collection of soldiers. So there are many examples you can go through as well. Moving next, abstract noun. What is abstract noun? An abstract noun is a noun which refers to ideas, qualities which cannot be touched, and which does not have any physical reality. Just like truth, danger, happiness, time, friendship, humor, those do not have any physical reality, are known as abstract noun. For example, it is there are many like abstract noun, different type of abstract nouns. Just like category, in category there is a feeling. Feeling means if we have anxiety, fear, pleasure, those does not have any physical reality, so there those are known as abstract nouns. States that like freedom, chaos, misery, those are also known as abstract nouns. So abstract noun is a noun which does not have any physical reality. It is kind of a feeling that we can explain. Moving next, a material noun or a concrete noun, we can say. What is a material noun and a concrete noun? A material noun which have a particular physical entity, which have a physical appearance. Just like here examples are given, just like toothpaste, jewelry, money, rain, glass, those all are non-living things, but those do have their physical entity, so those are known as material or concrete noun. For example, dogs, building, coffee, tree, rain, beach, tune, those all have physical entity, right? So that is why they all are known as material noun. So I hope you guys have idea about the nouns, how nouns are being called, and how the explanation of noun can be told to others. So thank you. Stay safe and stay home.